Hey guys, so I have this week's planner spreads for you, and I'm going to be showing you the 3 spreads I've done this week. So I'll start off with the mini happy planner. So this week I've just gone for like a floral. It's actually Mother's Day Sunday the 26th in the UK. I might have said it was earlier on another video, I can't remember, but this is my YouTube planner. This is for YouTube and that. So I've decided just to go for like florals. I had paper, so I cut up the paper and just done that, and I just think it looks so pretty. So that's my mini happy planner. Then my A5 planner from Paperchase. I don't know if I showed you that I made my own inserts with my paper. Anyway, there we go. And then this one I've just done washi tape basically and a few stickers. And I had paper with Happy Mother's Day on, so I punched up some of them and just put them there. And I just think it looks really pretty. And I like the colours. And then my normal size happy planner spread. Let's just, there we go. Because it's Mother's Day, my mum loves princesses, so I used some of the princess paper that I had. And then I used some of the Mother's Day paper that I had. On Saturday we got our nephew's first birthday. He turns 1, so I put a little Winnie the Pooh sticker there. Yeah, and just, that's it really. It's really basic. I just thought, you know, really pretty colours, being that Mother's Day is Sunday, and yeah, just like it.